On today's body cam, we're checking out the shocking meltdown after a woman's arrest.
Back up, sir!
Stop! Oh!
I'm asking you to stop. I didn't do anything, sir.
Turn around.
Wait, sir, stop!
On August 21st, 2023, at around 5:30 p.m., a Carlsbad police officer responded to an assault report in a neighborhood in Eddy County, New Mexico. A witness reported seeing a female chasing another with a bat. The same witness later stated that one of the females, dressed in a black tank top and shorts, seemed to be under the influence, barefoot, and attempting to break into nearby homes.
Wow.
Upon arrival, the female denied any wrongdoing.
What's going on, Chloe? No.
I just want to have voices. I know the other girl, I know the roommate, but I don't know the one who lives there, you know what I mean? So I went up there and I was like this. I was going to run for a light, I was going to get a light, but she didn't have one.
Hey, yeah, so listen, we've been getting a lot of calls on you just now. Yeah, one of the calls, I guess you were chasing after somebody with a bat?
No, that was another girl. She was chasing me with the bat.
She was chasing you with the bat.
For no reason.
And then there was a call just now that you were trying to get into somebody's house?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No.
What happened to your face? Why are you bleeding? You have blood all over you. Yeah, look at your arm, your left arm.
Oh, she was chasing me with a bat. I don't know.
You get hit?
Yeah, no, not really.
Okay.
Man, I would like to take this time out, man, to just say, listen, fathers, moms, just hug your daughter, man. Just hug it. You know, just embrace them, right? You know, make sure you tell them you love them. Everything gonna be all right, man. You know, everything gonna be all right. You know, just give them a kiss on the forehead or something, man. Embrace him, man, because this is sad. She out there on the streets tweaking. Just embrace your kid, man. Just tell him you love him, man. And that's that, man, because it's sad, bro.
Well, dude, they arrested my homeless for no reason last night, you know?
You want to go see what it is that,
She just,
as far as
she
the being eagles, I don't know.
Up this way.
It's, yeah, they were pointing at us. It's going to be that house right there. You want me to go talk to him?
Oh, you want me to go talk to him? I'll stay with her then.
The police visited the individuals who made the report to gather a comprehensive account before considering any potential arrest.
How's it going?
What's up, bud?
You guys call?
She did. She's the owner of the house.
Who did?
I guess her. We didn't. We kicked her out of that house.
You guys kicked her out of this
She
house?
was trying to break into our neighbor's house. We're the ones that went over and told her to step out of here.
What did you guys see when she was over there?
She was on top of the porch right there. She was trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then we went over there because, I mean, they're girls.
And I told her, hey, what are you doing? Keep walking. What are you doing there?
You know, and that's when she thought she was getting, she backed up and told her, don't wait up. Let's kick her out of here. But she was just there, just sitting there, just trying to open the door.
Was she kicking the door or
No,
just?
just jiggling the door, just trying to get in there. She's whacked out of her mind.
Yeah.
I mean, but still, luckily we were out here, you know, she was doing her thing and she's like, hey, babe, what's up? And he came out, and I was in the restroom, and then I came out and I was like, oh shit, let's go.
Now I'll go talk to her right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bud.
Good neighbors right there.
I am. Yes. So what happened?
I was pulling up. I came home and there was this lady on my porch, and they were talking to her, trying to get her off, and they said that she tried to get into the house. She took off after that.
So you said you saw her
Yes.
on your property?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are there people inside?
No.
When she was trying to open? No? Okay. All right, if I need anything else, I'll give you a call. Okay? All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So we'll get it for public nuisance for being in the street a couple times a day and then just call for one there. So whoever wants to take it. But I don't see no questions.
Man, I love the Samoan tattoos, man. God. I you see the tribal, like, those is so fire. I'm not gonna lie, but anyway, let's get to the action.
Chloe, do me a favor and put your...
Wait, can you tell me? Wait, back up first. Sir, hey.
Relax.
Sir, wait, guys, stop.
Relax.
What? Back up. Sir.
Oh!
I'm asking
Yeah, my boy played football, boy. Grabbed her, spun her around.
you guys, stop.
Get you together.
Back up. Sir.
Oh yeah, act right. Bow. Good tackle, man.
Stop! I didn't do anything, sir.
Turn around.
Wait,
You're under
sir,
arrest.
stop. Hey,
Turn around.
hey, sir, brother. Hey,
Relax.
stop.
You're
Don't
under
do that.
arrest,
Don't,
Chloe.
brother, stop. I didn't do anything. Stop.
Turn around.
Sir.
You're under
What
arrest.
are you talking about,
No
bro?
gloves?
No. Tell him to stop.
Relax.
That's the problem. Oh my God. I don't want to get arrested. That's the problem. I'll take your fucking kid, dumbass. Don't tag me like a bitch. No, don't take that for a fuck out.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the part that I don't like. The one officer who actually got her together, that's, he's already gloved up, he ready to go. This other guy, listen, they planned this, so you had time to put on your gloves and stuff like that to at least whatever, right? Because you know that you're gonna arrest her and she might put up a fight, but why would you not put on gloves? You already see that she's cut up, she's bleeding and stuff like that. Why would, look how close this guy's hand is to her scab on her arm, and you don't have no gloves on, no nothing? Come on, man.
Hey, stop. Relax.
Like, what the fuck is this problem? Like, why are you doing that? I didn't do anything.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Sir. No, guys.
She doesn't have any
I wasn't doing
They
anything.
called on you multiple times.
No, sir. No, that was last night.
Chloe, take a seat.
That was last night. That's a lie. That was last night. That was last night, sir.
Relax.
No, it doesn't help, bro. Like, how do you switch sides like that?
Relax.
Like you're a fucking little kid, bro.
Stop yelling.
Don't start acting like you're like some baby ass, bro. We're not trying to.
She was brought to the hospital for clearance. Throughout the entire journey and during her time at the hospital, her outburst persisted.
You're under arrest, Chloe.
Like, you're so stupid. You're a fucking retard.
Not for Cosby.
How hard is it? How hard? Bro. Bro, I didn't do anything.
We'll have a blue team and a supplement for this call.
No, bring the fuck out! No! Hurry!
CMC, she's acting aggressive.
You guys are stupid!
Stand for will cause CMC.
Take me to another jail. A whole different jail, you retards. Like, what do you guys do? Huh?
Let's go, Chloe.
No, bro, don't let them, bro. Wait, hold on. Wait, it's too. You're gonna hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Hey,
Don't hurt me.
stand
No.
up. Stand up. Good.
No.
Chloe.
No.
Relax.
No.
Stand up, or I'm gonna get a wheelchair if you don't walk. Stand up.
Bro, I can't do this anymore. Please.
Stand up.
Please. I'm done. You gotta save me, please. Hey, let's have a sit down. I didn't have nobody, bro.
So 304, Sam, Adam, David.
Please don't write anything down. Like, I get it. I know. Like, I found out.
Sit down.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. They're done.
In a wheelchair you in, right?
Tell him to stop.
Okay, we'll tell him. Watch your feet. Don't drag your feet.
Like, I'm trying to be the stop.
Chloe, you're gonna fall.
Like, stop. Here they go. You're right there, like, go. Having a hard time, me too, bro. Now you wish you had me, huh?
Are you hurting anywhere?
Yeah, I'm hurt.
Where?
Yeah, I'm hurt.
Where?
Taking it for everybody. What about Brandon, bro? What about Jason? This is why. For no reason.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Like I said,
And because you guys running
I
around.
didn't know somebody got there with a battery.
Because these retards.
Chloe, can I use your ear to take your temperature?
It's
All I wanted was
bitch, I'm chill the home. I don't want no Filipino bitch in here.
Chloe.
No, those bitches are, you know what I mean?
She's trying to
If
help
they're
you.
out of it, they said, bro. I'm tired of this.
Relax.
I'm done, bro.
just need to take your
I'm
time.
done. I don't need to go to jail.
You're going to jail. You're already on arrest.
Sir, please.
And you yelling isn't helping.
No, there is things going on. I have been talking to the president. I am the treasurer. I'm not kidding. I don't have a reason to go to jail, guys.
Chloe, we're going, so.
Sir, please.
No.
I'm begging you guys. Please,
Relax.
sir.
Let's go.
Sir, please.
Chloe.
I really don't want to go. I have no
You
reason.
don't have a choice. Turn around.
I have no reason. I literally didn't do anything, though.
Turn around.
Sir, I don't want to. Please, I have another charge. And I didn't do
If you
anything,
keep
sir.
resisting, you're going to get another charge.
Sir,
so stop
please.
resisting.
Please don't charge me, sir.
Okay, well then calm down.
She was taken into custody and faced charges for resisting arrest and causing a public disturbance. Do you believe the arrest was warranted?
Subscribe.